My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, and today we're going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of a 2019 Robalo R200. Very nice boat, low hours, gray hull side on a tandem axle trailer. We have all new tires. This boat was rack stored at a marina inside, overall in very, very nice shape. Super pretty boat with the black accents on the T-top. We have trim tabs and we're powered with a single YAMAHA 150. At the back of the boat we have a nice transom with flip-up seats. So one seat off the port, one seat off the starboard with a live well here in the center. Nice leaning post with, again, the black accents. Flip down bolsters here at the helm. These flip down so you can sit down and be comfortable or lean against them when you run the boat. In the center we have a Garmin touchscreen display, 12 inches with all your chart plotting and depth. Yamaha tachometers. We have 159 hours on the engine. Lenco trim tabs with the indicator switch. Nice protection from the sun. All the canvas up here is in really nice shape. Storage up above. All the upholstery looks good, as you can see in the video. Nice high freeboard leading up to the bow with comfortable bow seating. Removable backrest and cushions all the way around. We have an optional bow table that we can set up here in the stainless steel insert. And then you do have storage underneath the bow seats. Dedicated space up in the front for your anchor. A nice bench seat in front of the console. This is pretty cool as it swings open, which allows access to your portable head. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, walking you guys through this 2019 Robalo R200. Feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. This boat's located at MarineMax Stuart. We'd be happy to get you aboard.